Seatbelt Cutter Canada. About 911 Gear. 911gear.ca is a Canadian law enforcement supplies, corrections supplies, and security supply store located near Toronto, Ontario. We are online sales 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Site security. We do not sell your information or email addresses. We will not sign you up for any of our email notifications. We do not receive any of your Visa, MasterCard or any type of payment info. We only receive an email confirmation confirming your card was accepted. Our site is scanned daily for malware and spam by SiteLock. When entering your personal information into any site, make sure the address line starts with HTTPS, and there is a lock beside it. Our SSL can be checked here. https://www.shopper.com/ssl-checker.html #hostname = https://911gear.ca. About Seatbelt Cutter. Seatbelt Cutter, life-saving tool on your belt. In policing, corrections or emergency services, you know the importance of reliable products. When the time comes, the products must be available and work when needed. In policing and emergency services, car accidents happen every day. Contact us at 911 International Law Enforcement Gear -5762 Highway 7 East P.O. Box 54077 Markham, Ontario L3P7Y4. 1-866-218-5883 fax 1-837-377-80023 local 905-205-0074 email 911gear. Gear.ca. Thanks.